Hi guys, welcome in Greenhouse channel. I'll be showing the best way to propagate Sanseveria. Today we're gonna be dividing this plant by rhizome because we've had several shoots grow in the past few months. Okay, let's go. A beautiful bunch, and I'm gonna knock a little bit of this dirt off. You wouldn't need to do this if you were just repotting. You can leave as much dirt on as possible so that you don't disturb the roots too much. Here is the big mother stem, as you can see, and here beautiful roots, and it just joins right into this main root stem. Now, how you tell if they're big enough to take them away from their mother is if they have other roots coming off their stems that will support them once they are separated. You can either do this with a knife or you can just do it with your finger. One important tip that is necessary to know is pots for cuttings should be same size as roots. Don't choose a pot larger than roots. This causes the roots to rot. When you're done, irrigate your cuttings. Thank you guys for watching me. Have a great time. Bye.